Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on with one and all? Welcome back to Learn, Develop, Live podcast. The podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a higher level. And who doesn't want that, eh? This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and with a quote from the Colonel himself, the KFC co-founder, Harlan Sanders. Just because you took longer than others doesn't mean you failed. Remember that. The Colonel himself slept in his own car going from restaurant to restaurant, trying to get someone to buy into his whole secret blend of 11 herbs and spices at the grand age of 65. No matter your age or how long it takes to make something really happen, every attempt, every failure and every knockback is a step closer to making those dreams of yours a complete reality.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.